Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you one good tip where that you can use, and you can also gain audience based on the right keywords that you want to attract audience based on that keyword. Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to share one good tip based on YouTube. So do you know that there are certain ways that if you are using it on your YouTube channel, so the relevant audience will be attracting towards your channel. So if I talk about my channel, so I won't like if any person or any random person will come watch any of few of my videos and they won't be stay too long. Say if I'm posting another video tomorrow and a day after tomorrow, so they are not at all there, they are not at all my in the subscribing list, right? So we all want people who are watching our video, so we want them to subscribe us, we want them to stick with us, we want them to see our journey, and whatever videos we are posting, we would like if they want us to come up with any new topic, and also if they are interested in our field, then it would be great if people are watching from the same field. So to get to know, or say to attract audience from the same niche, there is a way on YouTube that we all can use. You can see it here. I You just need to open your this YouTube studio. Whether you can do it, I would suggest you to do it on laptop, because on phone also you can do it, but I don't think that it will be successfully done, so I would suggest you to do it on laptop. So you can see it here. Here is a setting button, right? So if you have not subscribed for vidIQ, or if you have not got that vidIQ extension in your laptop, then it these options won't be there in your laptop. So just avoid all these things, just avoid all vidIQ kind of thing. Just look at this settings, click on settings. From there you need to click on channel. From channel you can see this keywords. So previously I was using all these keywords during covid times, during covid time, but I don't think now these keywords are required, so I'm just removing these keywords. So I am removing a lot of these keywords, and I will also be looking for good or new keywords. Okay, so we can go up to 500 character, you can see right here. Let's add a few more. So it's not like what I am adding you need to add the same. It's like whatever topics you are covering, or whatever titles, or say main famous topics you are covering, you can use these things as your keyword. So I used to make videos on LinkedIn, on digital marketing, on writing, on graphic design, all these things. So I will be taking a few keywords out of these things, and then I will be using it here. LinkedIn tutorial. Then what else we can use? Okay, we can also use LinkedIn. And if when you do something, suppose if you want to write Instagram marketing, then don't miss to add Instagram, because Instagram will be highly searchable. So people are searching, if I talk about my, so my searching way, so we are there would be two set. One set will be so much, say they will be writing exact keywords, right? So if I want to look into something, say how to get relevant audience on YouTube, so I will be writing complete thing. And but there would be some set of people, some like a set where people will be writing relevant audience YouTube, just that. So we need to focus on that too. That's why I have written LinkedIn and LinkedIn tutorial, LinkedIn influencer. Like these are different keywords that we can use, right? Social media marketing, digital marketing, this resume writing, career tips and tricks, how to. So you can use all these kind of keywords. How to, like these kind of keywords that you can imagine. Just imagine basic keywords that people will be searching on YouTube. And if you know about Neil Patel tool and SEMrush tool, then just go for it and look for YouTube like trending tools, or say highly searchable tool. And if you find any such keywords related to your niche, then you can use these keywords as in the form of your keywords. But make sure to keep covering those kind of videos or topics in your coming video. It's not like I am posting. Suppose I am making a video on social media marketing today, and then like for next 1 year I'm not at all making any video on it. So it's a kind of like waste keyword for my profile. So better to, if I remove it, and then if I am going to continue this topic after 1 year, so I will be adding this then. But right now, if I am not at all going to make videos on it, so would be no, like of no use. So make sure to add right keywords. Okay, after that, what else you can use? You need to think of what are the topics that you are covering. Okay, monetization, Google refund, career. No, a career we have already covered. What else? LinkedIn, profile building, resume writing. Okay, and keep on checking the number of keywords. You can see 430. Still we can like I can add 70. I'll think of some and will add then. So I just wanted to share this important thing with all of you. So you can again go here, you can from there you can change your DP, you can change your cover photo. You can also like add your video mark, watermark, and then you can add your basic information about. So you can add all the links here, so you can find all basic things here. And you make sure to complete all these basic things here, so that if somebody is showing interest, they can get to know about you in a clear manner. They can get to know about your details, and if somebody tries to get in touch with you by the means of any other channel, so they will be having some means to get in touch with you, like LinkedIn, maybe Quora, Instagram, Facebook, or anything. So yeah, this is something I just wanted to talk about. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come up with any particular topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.